right, a weekend in my life. This should be very interesting because it's been a minute since I've done this. A lot is happening, people. Life is about to get very crazy. I spent the majority of January and February prepping myself, knowing that things were about to get insane. We are doing our newest launch. There's so much that's gone into this. It's the first time we're gonna do our first influencer event in LA. I'm going to New York to do Good Morning America, and then I go to South by Southwest, and then I go on a trip with the brand, and it's just like, March is very crazy. By the way, I'm in my new place. More on that coming soon. This weekend is weekend one of life ramping up and getting real crazy. Tomorrow I'm speaking at Create and Cultivate. Sunday morning, one of my newest investors, Adrienne Bosch, is hosting a brunch, and that evening I'm going to support Rupi Kaur at her LA show. All blessed things, and I'm super excited, but it's busy. So I purposely am taking my Friday night because my new favorite hobby in the entire world is doing nothing. But I feel a little anxious from the week, so I kind of want to wind down. I am going to go on a jog. So this is my workout, today's workout. Actually, this is also what I wore to work today. It's head to toe Nike, and I'm wearing a compression bra from them that is so bomb, you guys. It's so supportive for somebody with a big chest, and it makes it so I feel like I can run and still feel supported. Welcome to my new Friday nights. Okay. All right, well, 3 miles later, I am done. By the way, people ask me like to give tips on my like workout regimen. I promise you I will when I figure it out. I'm still new to all of this, guys. What works for me to calm my anxiety and stress is running and yoga. I've gotten into hot yoga. I'm going to hot yoga in the morning. It really helps me. And it just like, my body feels so tight, just stress and just the running and stuff. So those are my 2 real things. I've been doing some cycle house just because I love the music there, but I haven't really figured it out. And now I'm going to go shower and probably do some Netflix and chilling. Get your mind out of the gutter, not that kind of chilling. So I decided before I shower, by the way, I just discovered AirPods, game changers. I know, welcome to 2020. But I feel like something I don't take enough time doing. It's just relaxing and soaking in, just like life. Something I've been really good about this year, anytime I have free time, is just to like sit and just like be a little grateful. This is a dream come true. Like that is blurred, but it's the view I've dreamt of. No matter how busy life gets, and trust me, it's only getting busier, I have to remind myself I'm literally living out my dream, and it's in my control whether I feel it or not. I think it's really important for the long game with what I want to do in my life to just have perspective and recognize that life is a blessing. All right, I'm gonna take a few minutes and zen out a little bit. Life is good. Rise and shine. It is Saturday morning. It is 7:15. I signed up for 8 a.m. yoga. What I do right when I get up is I try to drink a glass of water, and I do 5 to 10 minutes of headspace, but since I'm going to yoga today, I'm not doing that. Happy Saturday. It's gonna be a good day. Oh my God, Ronnie's holding the vlog camera for me because I want to make sure we're driving safely. So we just finished Urban 728 yoga. I feel so much better though, but this was probably the worst I've ever done because my brain is racing. Like I was thinking about the event we have coming up, the questions I'm answering for Create and Cultivate today. I thought about an idea for our goodie bag for influencers, and it came to me. Point is, sometimes you have better days, sometimes you have worse days, but you still go. And I'm on a kick, man. Preach, girl. All right, just showered. On my way home, I ordered some Postmates. My old obsession with Subway has now switched to Chipotle, because now that I'm like a vegetarian, I just feel like Chipotle, I don't know, I just feel like maybe I've been eating less bread now lately, and the bread from Subway just kind of makes me feel like it's weird. It feels like a guilty pleasure now. I wouldn't exactly call my Chipotle order healthy. Anyways, Nikki's on her way. She's gonna do my makeup. We're gonna use the new shade, which I'm super excited about. So our new shade is like a berry color, and I want you to use it on me today. I know. Okay. So it's called Free, and it's this like very,
oh my God,
very
beautiful.
I feel like it's just like perfect. It's happy vibes. Basically, how it like came to like life was because after we launched Found, because we just personally internally loved the colors so much, and when we had people come and try Found, they like loved it. Like people in the tinted community,
Found.
Influencers, everyone loved it, but it didn't make sense for the color correcting narrative of light, medium, dark, so we didn't do it at launch. But then when we launched it last December, everyone was obsessed with Found and it sold out. So we were like, wait a second. So Huesticks don't have to just stand for being multi-sticks that work for color correcting. They can just stand for being multi-sticks with beautiful curated colors that our community tells us that they want.
Yeah.
The #1 thing we heard, berry,
really?
Purples, pinks, like things like that. And for me, I was so excited because I grew up always feeling comfortable wearing bright, bold shades, like vibrant, bold colors. I always remember all my girlfriends that had similar skin tones being like, how do you feel comfortable wearing that?
Yeah.
Like, it's scary, it's intimidating. And so I always told myself when I had my own brand, like we would come out with bright, vibrant shades. It's just the perfect color. We took so much time to get it right. Okay, it's happening. We're putting on the new beautiful shade. I'm so happy. OMG. Oh my God, I love it. Ah, she's so pretty. But who is she? Her name is Free, and she stands for happiness, vibrancy, bold, loving yourself, living unapologetically. Okay, makeup's done. I put on my outfit because it's white, and I basically don't know how to wear anything white without getting it fully stained. And Tanique's coming to do my hair. I'm wearing Rebecca Minkoff. At first I was like, oh crap, did I shave my armpits? There's like holes in the armpit. But this is such a chic look. Her clothes are very like, I feel like friendly for my body type, which I so appreciate because how many times I can see that? But I really wanted to do an all white situation with the new lip. Since I moved into my place, I have not had a day where it was clear enough to be able to see the 360 view. I don't know if you can see, but that like down there is the ocean. I can see it. And that's the airport. And then over here, over there's downtown. Change of plans. Tanique said she had time and we decided to turn me into Janet Jacksonica. This is so fun. I sent her a photo of Selena Gomez and I was like, let's just like get creative and have fun with it. And enter this hairstyle. You nailed it, girl. It's about the hair today. I don't even know who I am. Like, who is she?
So today I'm going to start with Deepica. Oh yeah, Deepica has definitely done some damage in the beauty industry. She has disrupted it, torn it apart, changed it, done her own thing with it. Lip tinted is something that I think all of us know is something that's breaking the rules and doing something completely different.
I got a call from the Today Show and they asked me to come and do the segment on air, and I quit my job. I was thinking I was going to be like the Indian Hoda. I was like all excited. And 5 years later is this brand Live Tinted, and we started as a community platform, and we asked the community what their #1 beauty concern was, and it was dark circles. So it just made sense from a full circle perspective to launch a product to solve that. So enter the Huestick, and it's a multi-stick that you can use on eye, cheek, and lips, and for color correction. There used to be this like pressure, I feel like, in the fundraising space of like grow quicker, grow faster, but we're seeing what that's turning into and what the outcome is of that. And I don't know, I think this idea of blinders and focusing on your community, what you stand for, what makes your brand unique, needs to really stay true throughout every step and process of the building. I love Crinkle Day. It's just like such a good vibes, energy. You run into so many good friends, and then afterwards you go to Soho downtown and see other friends who hold up their iPhone to be your light in the car. And that was bedtime because I got another long day tomorrow, but today was blessed and amazing, and I feel so great. Okay, today is Sunday and I'm officially ready. I just like brushed out my hair from yesterday, and don't you feel like sometimes the day after you get your hair done, it's like almost better? That's currently what I feel like right now. But I am about to pull up to my friend Adrian's home, who I saw yesterday, and she's just such a breath of positivity, man. Like, she's having a bunch of girls over today to her home, and just good vibes, good energy, and I'm just so excited because, like, yeah, just exactly what I feel like I need today on Sunday. So I'm heading there now.
Which I
Oh my. Oh my God.
Hotel, by the way.
How positive and amazing is this group of women right now? I just feel like so happy and zen here.
All of you in this room, nurturing, compassionate. I mean, all the things that you guys encompass, like, I don't know what I would do without you.
You guys, that was so beautiful. You ever have those moments where you're like, I can't even believe I get to call these women my friends, you know? And today Lala was saying how it's all about you attract what you put out into the world, and you vibrate and you get energetically pulled to each other. And I felt that way sitting next to Adrian and Tia and Lala, hearing Lala speak, and all of Adrian's friends that she's had in her life, her whole life. There's a reason people will come into your life and at the time in your life that they do. And it was just so beautiful. It really put things in my life into perspective and made a lot of sense. And it was just such great vibes for a Sunday, you know? So continuing on good vibes, I am going to Rupi's LA show right now. I'm heading from Palisades to downtown to catch her show, and I'm super excited. So it's a good Sunday, y'all. Okay, you guys, we are here, and Como literally just got off of a flight.
Oh my God, yes.
Insane.
I'm glad I made it.
I'm shocked you made it,
Me
actually.
too.
I was thinking I was gonna be here and just like crickets. But we're here and it's so cool. There's such a line right now for Rupi.
And just like Rupi's name on the marquee.
It's insane.
I'm just so proud and happy because they've been working on this for so long.
Ah, crazy.
I did a video on her hack maybe like 3 years ago, which is crazy.
The world is crazy.
It's so crazy.
So it's 11:30 and I just got back from Rupi's show, and man, do you know when you just feel like things were meant to happen the way they're supposed to happen? That's how I feel about this weekend. It's just like, my weekends now are so about me resetting and getting ready for the week. And I truly feel like the vibrations and the energy and the people I was around was exactly happening the way it was supposed to. Like, get this, Rupi's after party was at the top of the Ace Hotel, which is where I'm having my first ever influencer event in a week and a half. And I've been really anxious about this next product launch because I just want us to do better every single time and give to you guys everything that I know we're capable of giving. And I get so anxious about it because I'm like, sometimes I'm like, wait, we have to make this more, like we have to do more for everyone. This community's counting on us, and I feel this like constant pressure with that on myself a little bit, I guess. And I really think I was meant to go to Rupi's show because she talked about that in it. She was saying how when she put out her first book, it was like this pressure of when's the next one coming? And I guess I kind of feel like that with the product stuff. I am exactly where I'm meant to be in life right now. And I am surrounded by the people I'm meant to be surrounded by at this point in my life, and it's all a part of a greater purpose, and it's all happening exactly the way it's supposed to, and I am where I'm supposed to be. Feels good when you think about that. All right, until my next vlog, Zeneca/Oprah is out. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Zeneca. What?